Okay, today's video is going to be a DIY on doing the rear fender protector. So when you order the protector, it comes in a box. You have both of these PPFs with the Prelude script on them. You have some alcohol swab wipes, and then you have a really high quality squeegee. So we have 13 pages of directions we're going to go through. We're going to try to do this step by step. Obviously, when you're doing something on your vehicle, do it at your own risk. Anytime you're messing with the battery, make sure you disconnect the negative battery terminal. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to line up each of these and see how they look on the vehicle and see if it's where we want them. So we'll go over what's in the directions here and see how it looks. So step one is completely clean this area, which you've already done. So this is roughly how this is going to look right about somewhere in there. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to spray the left rear fender and get this nice and wet. We would remove the adhesive backing, and then we're going to spray the protective film itself. The goal on that is to have it lubricated so that when you get the piece on, it'll slide back and forth to wherever you want to have it. So again, this is going to look something. I'll line up along with this line right here and the door. So it's really important to work in one direction only. After we've gotten the center down here, we're going to start to work to the outside. There we go. I'm going to hit this a little bit more lubrication. Just make sure we're fully adhered. Looks pretty good though. And that is going to conclude this video. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I probably rate this about a 3 out of 10 from a difficulty standpoint. Have fun with your Prelude.